নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার তরফ থেকে আজকে একটা তসর এমব্রয়ডারির এপিসোড করব। ভ্যারাইটি অফ এমব্রয়ডারি, নানান রকম কাজের ওপর। আজকের এপিসোড 195th এপিসোড সংস্কৃতি কলকাতা। কিপ ওয়াচিং। ফার্স্ট প্রোডাক্ট, a very unusual color combination, neither it's rust nor it's magenta, nor it's mustard. It's a very unusual shade with red embroidery, paisley. The work is thread work, no zari, fully in paisley embroidery. All tussars are very good quality, pure tussar, 10,500 for this. Border, both side border all over buta. It's a beautiful uncommon shade and it goes very well with our Indian complexion. And the best part is its blouse piece. The blouse piece is in Dudhe Alta red with work. Very uncommon color combination, very uncommon, very fresh, and very festive color combination. I myself had worn a yellow and bottle green color in this same design, so it was in a previous episode of tussar embroidery. So those colors are also available now, 10,500. You can check out our Facebook page, the link is already provided. Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where these products will be uploaded in tussar embroidery album or also Sui Dhaga collection album. Sui Dhaga means thread and needle, so that way it's named that way. So you can watch out that album also. Select from recent uploads. Silver zari work in tussar, sky blue color, 10,300, product number 2. The work is in silver zari. Beautiful shade. Not only is the color combination uncommon, but also at the same time it's silver zari. So that is another added thing. We love silver zari and it's very much in fashion now, silver zari. And you'll see the blouse piece of it. It has a very uncommon blouse piece. So this is one border of the blouse piece that we are giving. This is the border of the blouse piece. Both sleeves will have the border. And we are providing an extra fabric of silver woven Banarasi. So the body part, keeping in the body part, you can make it with silver zari, and the sleeves you can make out with the sky blue embroidered one. So it's this way. With tassels and all, so overall look is very grand. All over Kashmiri embroidery in zari border tussar. The pallu part will have zari and ghicha woven. The body is fully in tussar with machine Kashmiri embroidery all over. Now see the work. Exquisite color combination, and so is the embroidery. Each paisley, and these Kashmiri embroideries are more of paisleys and very floral concepts they usually do. So keeping in mind the traditional work, it's done in those kind of pastel shades which we see in the shawls. So see the work, very intricate work, and it's all over. The blouse piece will be in woven stripe. It has no work purposely because the body is full of work. Very gorgeous, very uncommon. You can wear a coral blouse with this also. If you want a contrast one, it will look nice also with coral. Now coming to product number 4, it's a black again Kashmiri stitch work, zari border. You see the Kani shawls, it's just that design, that color combination which we picked up and utilized it. We've been inspired by those Kani shawls and done the work in this tussar fabric. It's fully in thread work, pallu, 10,950. All these are single piece, so no repetition and no orders. So even if you message, there will be no orders taken. So once sold, it cannot be recreated. So it's all first come first serve basis. So be quick when you do the booking for this episode. This is a striped blouse piece with zari border, and the sari of course will be fully thread work. Kashmiri again, so I'll keep on showing few Kashmiris, all Kashmiri, all over embroidery. This is in green, very uncommon, again very traditional thread work. You can see Kashmiri, those we see na, those painting, jar paintings, those beautiful paintings. Usually these kind of designs are done in painting. Kashmiri boxes, jewelry boxes that we see, the lovely artwork and painting of the Kashmiri people. So that kind of design have been done in this tussar, 10,900, all over work. Yeah, the work is all over, and it will have this solid color plain blouse piece with the zari border. A red number 6. I have been showing a lot of Kashmiris all over work, but you can check out the previous designs also. All designs are different. This again, those Kashmiri shawls also, we've seen these kind of all over thread work shawls in Kashmiri design. Those have been, those kind of designs and motifs are done in this sari. 10,900 again. Silk threads have been used, zari border and all over work. The blouse pieces are all plain with zari border. So this is the work. See the back side. This is the finish of the back side. Since it's all over work, I thought of showing you the back part. Yellow, so I'll show you the colors, all the colors that is available in this concept, same design. This is yellow. See the work. Again, it will have this color, yellow color, solid blouse piece with the border. So this is the whole sari will have this embroidery. The blouse piece will be yellow with the border. Black, gorgeous black, with solid black blouse piece with border. This is the blouse piece. Magenta. So you have a lot of colors to select from. Please give me options. Since these are all single piece collection, please give me options for this particular episode. And it will have this magenta blouse piece, the same color with the border. These threads that you are seeing, don't worry, you just have to just do once or twice this thing. These have just come from the factory. It will go in one, just if you just shake it once, it will go. And a navy. So all the colors are really gorgeous. Traditional Kashmiri work all over in pure tussar, that also in zari border, zari pallu, all over work, blouse piece plain with both sides zari border. The prices are all mentioned in the post. Please check out the prices in the description part. Once the product is available, if it's available when you do the booking, WhatsApp to any one of the number provided. Don't contact both the numbers for that particular product. Once the product is available, you can pay in the bank, which I will provide you, business account bank details, or Paytm or GPay to the bank. Cash on delivery only in Kolkata, outside Kolkata via courier. We'll ship it to you. Shipping charges are applicable. This is another zigzag, gorgeous, very hep looking tussar sari with very interesting embroidery. I myself had worn a Firoza color in a previous episode. So then I had only Firoza and a lot of enquiries had come. So after 3-4 months, we could manage to do 2 more pieces. The work is exquisite with French knot concept and Parsi embroidery, all machine work of course. 12,800 because hand work will not come in this range. But even though it's machine work, it's so interesting and so intricate, no border attached, direct embroidery. It's a beautiful piece. See closely the work. It's a black and white piece with multicolor thread work in French knot and Parsi embroidery. Extremely uncommon with a solid black color blouse with the border. So $12,800. The mannequin is also wearing another color combination of the same sari. It's in magenta, 12,800 again for the Mani sari. Mannequin, my dear doll, is wearing another beautiful color combination of zigzag printed desi tussar with all over border concept, Parsi and French knot in birds and floral, very prominent, exquisite thread work throughout the sari. It will have a solid color blouse piece with the border. Now coming to something very sober, day and evening wear sari, virgin color, tussar natural color with cross stitch, prominent big flowers throughout the border and buta, all machine work, and see how intricate the work is. Totally thread work done. This is the back side. This is the border, running border, 11,900. Product number 12, finished with cord piping and details. Mustard and brown color combination used in the threads. Very elegant, graceful sari. Any age will look nice. Virgin color tussar and with a beautiful texture because it's very good quality tussar. The blouse piece will be same color with the piping. Very sober, isn't it? Very prominent work also. I'll show you more colors in this. 11,900. This is the sari. Now I have a very nice uncommon earthy tone. See the work properly. Such a beautiful prominent red flowers. And we women love flowers, be it in the garden or in our garments. See, absolutely elegant. A grayish grayish green color sari. It's a very uncommon shade actually. Beautiful color combination, and the bright red flowers is looking so real, so prominent. Product number 13, 11,900. Product number 13. Again, all over border buta, all pure quality tussar with embroidery, very good finish, all polish completed. This is the blouse piece. This sari has a blouse piece work in both the borders. Loving the color combination. Black Doria. Party season is here. Winters are here. And black is the color to wear. Now see the very prominent embroidery in this black. Exquisite work. And see, we've done a raw silk piping. Even the piping and details fabric that we use, it's the pure fabric, which is why the ranges are definitely in the steeper side, but we do not compromise with the quality. Product number 14, 8,800. Jet black. Very gorgeous sari. Again, like the Kashmiri shawls we see. And it has a piping color contrast blouse piece, solid color contrast blouse piece, beautiful color combination. Please do take a minute to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Please click on the bell icon to get regular notifications so that you can get the notifications of the products that we will be uploading regularly. See how rich and gorgeous the work is. It's in a blackish navy blue color. Blackish navy with prominent paisley work, product number 159500. We have this botua, which I think it will go very well with this. It's a Katha embroidered botua with block printing. The price of this is 550 rupees. Yeah, 550 for the botua. These kind of costume jewelries that I am wearing plus clutches and bags are available. So you can visit the branch for more options. So this is the sari. Now coming to a signature piece of pure tussar digital printing with chicken pallu. Firstly, see the pallu work. I'll not say anything, you know what kind of amazing embroidery this is. And the whole sari concept, it has no work in the body, only digital printing in matte finish, crochet border, prominent. It's a very smart sari. It's just elegance, just sheer elegance is there. The quality, it's an absolute joy in wearing these kind of very unusual, very thought process is there of these kind. This is the blouse piece. See the blouse piece. Throughout embroidery, all over buta in the blouse piece. This is the sari. Oh. This is the pallu, just opened. Extremely fashionable. See the work. Very uncommon. Very soft polish. It's a very beautiful piece. Now in digital, I'll show you another one. Digital with chicken curry. See the elegance of this one also. All over body will have work. See the border, it's in chicken curry. That border is running throughout the pallu also. The body, prominent floral work. Natural virgin color tussar, amazing soft polish finish, crochet border, price 11,800 and white embroidery along with gold. Stunning piece. Very different, very unique, very uncommon. Here is the blouse piece with the crochet border. This has buta, so no work in the blouse. The other one had no buta, so work in the blouse. Beautiful work. And this tussar color with milk white work, always we love this combination. Even in Katha, when you see white embroidery in tussar, it's a beautiful piece. Closely again, I'll show you the embroidery. Another very simple sari, simple concept, but the look is very uncommon. We have used pure tissue Banarasi in the pallu with thread work. Now this pallu part is not attached on top of the sari. We have cut out the fabric and attached separately. Can you see, this is the joint, and see how neat the joint is. This is the border. Again, the border is attached over the sari, not on top of the sari. These are the little detail finish which Sanskriti always keeps in mind, and never, from the day one, we have been very particular about the finish. See the line of, this is a thread work line which is attaching the extra border, both sides same fabric, to give it more height. So the width also increases by 2 inch front and top and bottom. The body is in digital checkered block print. Pallu is in kalamkari embroidery. 9,950 rupees. 9950. Body only, as I said, in checkered digital print, and the blouse piece, of course, with work. Very smart sari. These are all concept saris actually. I have two colors, magenta, and the previous one, as I showed, is red. We have the Baliganj branch, 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, near the Baliganj railway station. This is the blouse piece. And the other one is near the Citizen Park, the second branch. That is in 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Both are closed by. Sundays we are closed. Monday to Saturday we are open every day. 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. There are two WhatsApp number which is provided, 760-3042-696. That number is only for messages. In case you need to talk, you need to call up. You have any urgent queries, please call up the other Airtel number that is provided. You can call up that number in case of emergency. But if you message, you will definitely get reply. Maybe it will take some time, but you will be getting a reply for all messages. 11,500 for this product number 20. A very unusual work of all over chicken curry, all over chicken work with Kashmiri thread work border, lemon on lemon, tone on tone work with pink contrast border work, blouse piece lemon with border. Very sober. Natural color. And this has a beautiful contrast tassel also in pink color. Amazing color combination, very neat work. See the work, it has touch of zari in between. The border is in shade of pink and peach with green. Very prominent work. All over thread work along with contrast border work in paisley. 11,500, product number 21. Yes, the blouse piece is there. The blouse piece will have the border, heavy quality tussar with blouse piece. Totally a new concept. Muga Banarasi tussar with thread work. So it's a tussar zari border Banarasi woven pure tussar with self work. So see, the whole texture of the fabric has changed because of this self embroidery. It looks like katha, but no, it's machine work with in between flowers, bright gold border, zari border woven Banarasi in tussar with thread work. From far it's giving a very nice texture. The color combination is unique. 10,900. All pure heavy quality tussar with thread work, zari woven Banarasi border, and here comes the blouse piece. Wow, beautiful, unique dual tone blouse piece which is there with the sari, and we have not disturbed that. So it's a beautiful woven sari along with this uncommon embroidery. Gorgeous mustard and mint green color combination. Even the pallu part is fully thread work and zari weave. I have another unique color combination, product number 23. This color is so unique. It's a light burgundy color, or you can see a dark mauve with again tissue blouse piece. See the tissue color. Tissue tussar blouse piece, prominent bright zari border with all over thread work. So these tussars fabric, see from here you can understand the cross color. It's a beautiful tussar Banarasi with zari border pallu. Now something that you've been waiting for long. This is mirror work tussar, solid color, self color mirror work sari, solid color with self on self mirror work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines of tiny mirror work. Now this is not mirror, as I said, these are all micas, very light with piping, and here comes the blouse piece. So this is the blouse piece with the sari. So this is with mustard. This is the blouse piece. I have a pink, deep pink. all over, same concept, mirror work, border and fully embroidered blouse piece in tussar. The blouse piece is also in tussar. Pure tussar all over work embroidered blouse with tussar mirror work sari. I have a black number 26. All will have contrast piping, black color, mirror work. The mirror work is just to give it a highlight, give some bling to the sari in solid color, and again this gorgeous rich thread work blouse piece. Just take the screenshot of the product. No numbers, I won't remember which episode, so I won't remember if it's available or if it can be, it will come in the near future, or if I have any other colors. So best is to send the screenshot of the product. Whichever you're liking, just click the picture. It's a light peach pink color or pale rose color. These are all 9,500 price, 9500. See the mirror work here. And again we'll have this cute multicolor, and the blouse piece work is so rich, so gorgeous, and all in pure tussar. Another very gorgeous sari, showstopper, cross stitch in charcoal black. See the work and the color combination, of course. Charcoal black with mauve and pista, coral, beautiful shade. The all over booty is also thread work. So it's a fully thread work sari, prominent border, this is the blouse piece. Since the sari is full with work, this is the blouse piece, solid color with crochet border, and it's a stunning piece. Previous episodes, hardly any saris are left over in tussar embroidery. So select from this current episode and give me options. 12,900 for this, product number 28. See the work closely. This is the back finish. And lastly, the one that I'm wearing a original bandhej in tussar. This is not print, this is original tie and dye bandhej in a coffee color tussar dyed sari with prominent border in thread work and pallu. Bandhej embroidery in tussar. See the pallu work. The color is very elegant also, and this is the blouse piece. This is 9,950. $9,950 with this chocolate color embroidered tussar with hand bandhej tie and dye. 9,950 rupees. Yes, I'm correct. 9,950 rupees for the sari. With this, I think this bag was going very well. It's a 625 rupees Katha work Ajrak bag. It has a chain and it has, I mean to say it has a sling, and it has this extra pouch at the back also. It has a chain inside also. So this is the bag, 625 rupees. It has printing with Katha, 625. And I have another indigo also, 625 rupees for this also, with a sling, with a back chain. $625 for the bags. Now coming to the jewelry that I am wearing, choker, traditional choker. You can wear it for weddings also. Very prominent, very intricate premium jewelry. It has a pair of matching earrings with this. 4,500 rupees is for the neck piece. See the earring. It has polki, it has pearl setting, it has stone setting. See the earring properly. And the neck piece. If you're interested, take the screenshot of the neck piece. 4,500 is for the neck piece choker along with the pair of earring. And the Ghungru bangles that I am wearing, it's 800 pair or 400 rupees piece. It's in red, gold plating, very uncommon, 800 rupees pair or single piece 400. And the neck piece, as I said, is 4,500. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Namaskar.